What's up, y'all? It's Cash Flow Nexus. Just showing y'all, what day in my life. I'm trying to get this, I'm trying to get this screen for y'all to, go on my XRP chart that I have up, but it's not letting me get that for you guys. So give me a moment to, get that updating situated for you guys. Tell me how y'all doing. If anybody's watching right now, if anybody's on, tell me about yourself. How you doing? All right, we got 3 people on here. That's what's up. That's what's up. I'm working on, going live more often for you guys, giving you some live updates on XRP if y'all are interested in that. I'm definitely trying to make things happen for you guys because, it's about that time I start going live more often because these charts are starting to move a lot faster. So I'm liking what I'm seeing on these charts, and I'm excited for what's going on. What's up, Anthony? How you doing, man? I see you. How's it going? Going good over here, man. Just looking at the charts. I'm trying to get the charts on the screen for y'all, but YouTube's not letting me do that right now. So I'm definitely messing with this, testing the waters on this live stream. But I do want to, keep you guys updated. Let's read the comments. What's up, Kitchen Rage? How you doing, man? Looking forward to getting rich. I know, right? Business is booming. That's what's up, man. Amen to that. I love that. Love that. But yeah, man, it's about to get there. XRP is getting ready. I'm really trying to show you guys my screen on XRP right now because what I've been seeing, XRP has broken important resistance level, and just talking about it, I can't really show y'all. So it's like I'm not doing y'all a service, but at the same time, but based off what I'm seeing on these charts, XRP is looking really nice right now, especially on that hour time frame. It's building a lot of momentum. So anybody that's in my trading group on Discord, I'm about to probably give y'all a signal on a buying opportunity for this. XRP is looking good right now. It's crazy how a lot. It's funny because a lot of people have asked me to do live videos and that, but I've been a little weary about that because live stream you can't you have to go with the flow for real. And I have to get out my comfort zone in that area, so I do have a little bit of insecurities, y'all, so I think everybody has some. you know but I always want to give you guys my best when I do this, do these streams, or give y'all analysis or anything. Bitcoin is about to surpass 11K. Let me take a look at it real quick. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Bitcoin is about to pass that 11K threshold. And it's funny because Bitcoin was acting strange the other day. It wasn't even trying to move. Now all of a sudden it's trying to move. So yeah, you're right. Bitcoin is trying to make its move to the upside. I do see that. Right now it's sitting at 10K, 10.8K right now. So yeah, it's right around that threshold. Let me check it up on the weekly time frame. Oh yeah, this thing's definitely coming up on the weekly chart. It has everything angled up, and it broke the resistance at, let's see, what number is that? 10K flat was the resistance on Bitcoin. So I do see that happening. So with the laws being passed, and with the banks now able to custody cryptocurrency, because that just passed maybe 3-4 days ago. you know XRP is the bank's coin, and everybody that's invested with XRP has done their research, and they know what's about to happen. They know that is going to be the coin that moves everything, because XRP is going to be holding all the assets, all the money. that goes through the crypto space, and a lot of people don't understand how big XRP truly is. It's been, mocked and ridiculed, and everybody that's been investing in it, has tried to back it up for quite a while. But now it's about to be that time where people reap the benefits of holding it. So keep holding, you guys. XRP is about to take off. Let me read that. It was all playing. Yeah, it was all playing. Kitchen. It was all playing, man. What's up, Daniel? How you doing, man? Yeah, XRP, 100 XRP by October. I love to see that. If let's say it does hit 100 by October, everybody in the group chat that's in the Discord group, y'all's lives is gonna change instantly, like no joke. But yeah, I hope it does. Going that high. Let me actually see if I could pull up. So if XRP goes up to $100 at its current level right now, let me see. That would be. Let me do some math real quick. Or analyze real quick. If you're a day trader and you hold XRP from the current point to $100, that would be, dang, that's a big percentage. That would be 46,161% gain right there. That's insane. So if it does do that, a lot of people that are holding it that are day traders, they're gonna be really blessed to see that. Like I said, you guys just keep holding. It's about that time. Just keep holding. YouTube is kind of shady with how they handle things on here because I was trying to do an analysis video for you guys, but what ended up happening, they said I have to get let's see, I have to get an encoder to live stream for the chart. So I'm gonna have to do another live stream probably tomorrow as well. So I hope that goes better than today. I really want to get you guys some live analysis and do this more often for you guys. What's up, Chris? How you doing? What's up, buddy? I need to get you teaching me. Of course, man. Just hit me up. You know where to find me: Instagram, Twitter. It don't matter. Here, I'm definitely game to teach, man. Definitely game for that. But how y'all been doing? Like, what's going on in y'all's lives? Anything? I do want to say this. Yesterday was, and it was the longest conversation I had because I had every Sunday I have a Bible prayer group, and yesterday it started at 7. It didn't end until like 12 a.m. So we were talking about God and praising and going into a lot of other topics. So I'm not just gonna only, do trading analysis for you guys. I'm also gonna do teachings as well, like Bible teachings, and I'm also going to do expose something because we talked about aliens. We talked about these conversations that Christians don't have. Aliens, dinosaurs, space. Real conversation that people need to have because people have their doubts on certain things. Let me see. Yeah, I saw you. I had your email a long time ago, and I responded, but I don't think I got a response back from you, Chris. So if you want to email me again, I'll definitely next to my phone because I'm always moving. I'm always doing something. But yeah, I'll reach back out if you send me an email, man. I appreciate y'all being on here, giving me y'all's time. It's a blessing to have y'all on here. I like that. XRP right now is at 22 cents. It just broke. Let me see. It just broke the 1 hour cloud. Man, I wish I could just screenshot this to you guys, but right now YouTube's just playing games. Um, I'm gonna, I'm going to put this in the community tab. So if y'all want to see that as well, I'll put it in the community tab. I'm gonna take a screenshot and send y'all what it looks like, what's going on. So actually, I'm gonna do that right now. All right. So I'm about to post that in a bit. Give me a moment. Where do I think XRP is heading? For now, where I have XRP heading right now, based off, because I'm realistic when it comes to trading. I don't give like crazy, ridiculous price predictions. But sometimes when I feel like I need to, I'll do it. But right now, I believe XRP is heading towards 23 cents, and that's when we'll see our battle. Excuse me. Once we get above 23 cents, the overall target that I have right now is 36 cents. I have it going to 36 cents. I'll say probably sometime in August, we'll see XRP at 20, or no, at 36 cents. And once we get to that level, I think it'll come back down, to make a correction, and then we'll to start taking off. We're starting to get, the cloud at the weekly time frame. I'm starting to like it because, it's starting to, weaken in the bear market start to show weakness. And I also see on the RCI that the the main trend is starting to angle up, and the midterm trend is angling up too. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm sorry you guys can't see it, but that's what I'm seeing right now. So I'm expecting XRP to hit 36 cents probably by next month, sometime next month, but we'll see. Any questions? Y'all could ask any questions if y'all want to. It could be personal questions. It could be, you know, anything really. I'll try to answer it as best I can. Being real with you guys. Any questions or anything I want to talk about specifically? I'll answer anything. Q&A right now, live Q&A. Appreciate that, digital. I appreciate that a lot, man. It takes a lot of work to do this. It's never easy to put yourself out there on social media. It really isn't, especially if you have a shy personality. So what am I gonna do with my millions? So that's a great question because I have a lot of things written down. I've been praying about certain things and writing down goals and stuff. I do want to start a charity. The charity is going to be helping the needy and the homeless. That's part of what I'm going to do with my millions. Hopefully, it's billions. But I don't want to, I don't want to be selfish with my wealth, my financial wealth. I want to, share it. I want to take care of the needy, the homeless, the poor, the widows. And I also want to give back to people that have helped me throughout my journey as growing as a individual and as an adult as well. I do want to open up a facility that teaches day trading. I do want to open up a facility that caters to people that are trying to get back on their feet. There's so much I want to do, man. That I can't even put it all in here, but since we do have time and since we're gonna be here, I'll put out as much as I can. Uh, and it's funny because actually I have it written down in my phone since it's a note. I have a lot of my goals written down. Let me read you something. Got so many notes in my phone. How to join my Discord. So if you want to join my Discord, it's I teach how to trade in there, and I also give signals occasionally when I see a big opportunity. If Anthony's still on here, he could vouch that we caught a 200 point move on XRP. Well, it was called for 200 points, but how to join? It's $300 to get started, and it's just a one-time fee. That's it. That's all. I don't charge a lot. It's just one fee. That's it. No monthly fee. No BS. It's just straight to the point. And I'm teaching, throughout the week. We have Tuesday and Thursday Zoom calls, and then late at night we have live trading sessions. So, and you could also schedule one-on-one with me if you can't make it. I also do recordings as well, so you could definitely do that. So I hope that answered your question, Oliver. I'm still trying to find this thing on for you there. I appreciate y'all getting on here with me. I appreciate that a lot. No, it's funny. I was actually I was, and a lot of people don't know I'm a writer as well. I write poetry a lot, but I was actually trying to write a TV show for Netflix, but I got occupied and I put that to the side. I am a writer. I like to put my mind out on papers. I'm trying to answer your question, Kitchen, because I want to read this off so you understand where I'm coming from. I got so many notes in my phone. Like I said, it's ridiculous. I might have to buy a new I might have to buy a new SD card to have more space. The XRP a good investment. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't say that, but I will say, in my opinion and what I've researched, I think in the long term, it'll be a pretty good investment. But that's not financial advice. That's just my opinion. Hope that answered your question, Free. So if you want to sign up, Oliver, what you do, you just email me, and you could either do PayPal or Cash App, and then I'll send you all the information. I'll get you in the Discord group immediately. Hope that answered your question. All right, so yes, Kitchen, if you're still on, this is part of the movement that I want to do, and this is the scripture that I have it based off of, because a lot of people overlook, the needy and the poor, but it's out of Deuteronomy 15:10 and 11, and it says, "Thou shalt surely give him, and thine heart shall not be grieved when thou grievest unto him, because that for the thing the Lord thy God shall bless thee in all thy works, and in all thy puttest thy hand unto. For the poor shall never cease out of the land. Therefore I command thee, saying, Thou shalt open thy hand wide unto thy brother, to thy poor, and to thy needy in thy land." So the movement that I want to do, like I said before, I want to help the needy, the homeless, and because that scripture right there, a lot of people overlook the poor. If you see people that are poor, most of the time people are gonna walk by them and not give them anything. You don't have to give them money. You could just give them food, buy them food. Uh, you know, and you don't have to make it a public thing. You could do it in secret. You don't have to have all your good deeds done in public. You know, a lot of people that showcase their good deeds, I think they do it just my opinion. I think they do it just to look good and have a certain image they want to portray. But if they're really doing it from the heart, you don't need cameras to, do something that's good for somebody. You know, so that's my movement. That's part of what I want to do with my millions. I got so much goals, man. It's uh, even for myself. I want to start a clothing line too. A clothing line for the Lord. It's something that I've been wanting to do. I want to start a movement for men and women as well. So it's a lot of things that I have, written down that I want to get accomplished. And everything takes money because money is how things function in the world. So it's interesting. Let's see. What's up, Ronnie? How you doing, man? What's next? What's happening next? That's what. Yeah, man. It's all good, man. We're just talking with you guys. I wanted to do some analysis for you guys, but I gotta wait another day for because of YouTube. They're playing too much. So if you want to hit me up with some live Q&A, guys, hit me up with some questions. I don't care if it's personal. I don't care if it's I'll talk about those things. I don't know if y'all watch all my videos, but I had a video that I put out not too long ago talking about my darkest times and stuff that I personally been through. So if y'all want to check that out, go ahead because I know the times that we're living in now, a lot of people going through a lot of things emotionally, not just that financially and all those. So definitely, check that out. All that sparring session. Good to see you back in it. Yeah, man. I'm definitely trying to get back in that, into the sparring world and into the, back into, boxing and kickboxing and martial arts. Before I actually became a trader, a day trader in crypto and forex, I was actually training to, to be in the UFC. And I had a really bad back injury that, put me off, and I couldn't recover as fast as I wanted, but I took time off of it. So hopefully, I get, better because when you are on like a year layoff or more, man, it's hard getting back into the gym and sparring again. And I want to get back into it because it was my first passion before I got into cryptocurrency and trading. I'm not gonna say I'm a violent person, but I would say that I loved the martial arts. I love the combat and the mental fortitude it took to pursue combat sports. So I did like that. I'm definitely gonna get back into it. So y'all might see more videos on that. What's up, Crawfish XRP? How you doing, man? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're blessed. Hope y'all are all doing well. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this live stream on Twitter. Get more people involved here. Y'all talk to me, y'all. Don't be shy. I'm an open book. I'm an open book. All right. So XRP is still ranging right now. XRP it's going up, but it's just ranging at the current moment. It's looking at it on the 15-minute time frame, it's making a slight correction, so it's gonna come down for a little bit. But yeah, overall, it's still to go up. Let's go. Right. Okay, so now I got that going. Okay, cool. So we're set here. What else is going on? Cool. How's Texas going? Texas is pretty good, man. Texas, Texas is quiet. I'm not well. The area that I'm in is quiet. I live in Dallas, but it's more towards North Dallas, if anything. So Texas is pretty well, man. Where? How about you? Where's it? How's it going where you're at, Ronnie? Because out here, y'all heard the riots were going crazy at one point, but now they're not that bad. So they're not as bad as they say. California, dang, you're in California. Wow, yeah, California sucks right now for real. California is looking a mess. Trying to lock y'all down again. Ooh. So what is going on out there? Totally, like, is it is it just people that are is there riots out in California at all, or is it just the mayor out there and government officials out there trying to put y'all back on lockdown? No riots. Okay, that's good. No riots. We want the Air Force Base right above. We want the Air Force Base right above Dallas. Okay. Or did you mean to say you went to the Air Force Base right above the? But yeah, Dallas. I want y'all to know like the riots and stuff going on, and I'm not trying to be political. I don't know everybody's views on anything. I do know that if people open their eyes to what's really being pushed, the agendas that are being pushed, there's a lot of lies behind the scenes that are that are funding stuff. The I don't know if y'all do y'all's research, but I definitely want y'all to look up what the Black Lives Matter movement's doing. Um, the people, the government is actually kind of killing, you know, lying to a lot of people. They're using the Black Lives movement to fund their agendas. If you go to the website, they have a lot of things on there that are against God, and they're saying things that are true, and they're also funding the LGBT community as well, and they're putting that in school. So your children, if you all have children, y'all's children are going to be forced to learn about the LGBT community. I'm just letting y'all know that they're lying to y'all about this Black Lives Matter movement. They're using it to fund other things. How much is gas where I'm at? Oh man, compared to y'all, gas is cheap. Gas is like 180 over here. All right, Oliver, take care, man. Be blessed. Yeah, gas is cheap over here, Ronnie. Gas is nowhere near y'all's price. How much is it over there? I think it's like $4 over there, $3, from what I last heard. Still over. Dang, y'all still over 250, man. Sorry about that, man. I hope y'all's gas prices come down a little bit lower. It used to be worse than that. Y'all's gas prices used to be at least for well back in I think when Obama was in office, I think it was like no, I think it was like $4 something or more. Yeah, gas prices were high at one point in California, from what I remember at least. Okay, so 375, $4. Okay, I was close. Let's see. I have to share this on Twitter. My wife was looking over it. Yeah, man, Texas is cheap, man. Our economy is cheap compared to a lot of other places, man. I don't know how people don't live, I don't know how people live outside Texas. That's crazy. I think New York and California are the most expensive places in the United States, from what I've seen and heard. Arizona as well. So, yeah, I don't know how y'all do it. I don't. You could literally get a house, a 5 bedroom house for like $300,000, if not cheaper than that, in Texas. And y'all be paying millions of dollars for houses that we could get for cheap here. I don't know how y'all do it, man. Dang, for rent is that much for how many bedrooms? Man, I couldn't live out there for 2 bedrooms. No, that's no. You could get an apartment that for that price for well, I would say penthouse for that much. Okay, you Mildred doing well, watching from downstairs. From downstairs, all right. Uh, but ooh, man, y'all, California got to step up their economic uh foundation. Y'all need help down there. I don't know what's going on, but it's not overpopulated down there, is it? CT CT is crazy expensive, not as much as Cali. Oh, 1,500 for three. Okay, dang. That's not too bad. 1,500 for 3 bedrooms. That's not bad. 1,500 for 3 bedrooms. You can get that here for about that same price. So yeah, that's not bad. 1,500 for 3 bedrooms. Is this an apartment or a house that you're talking about? You can get a $1,500 for rent every month, for that price. You can get that for apartment. Okay, cool apartment. I thought so. I was thinking that because I'm like, there's no way. There's no way in hell. All right, cool. What's the biggest challenges y'all faced in y'all's lives? I like to know some of y'all's biggest challenges y'all faced. Soon as these crypto take off, either we move into Houston or further north. Mm. Man, do you love California like that? How is life in California? Because I hear two different stories. I hear that it's real bad, and then I hear if you that it's depending on where you live at, it's real good. And, okay, got you. College. So tell me about parenting, man. Tell me about because Lord knows parenting is not easy, especially if you're co-parenting with someone that you don't agree with. I understand that, man. Parenting is hard. Finishing college in my 30s, man. Yes. You know what? Actually, it's funny because a story that I have when I was going to college. I was going to Brookhaven. I was actually going to go to a university, but I decided to go to a community college. But college wasn't, school wasn't for me. I was an entrepreneur at heart. So I ended up just going to college for 2 years, and then I dropped out of college. And then I started my first business when I was 21. And then, as a personal trainer, and then I moved on from that, and then I got into, this trading. So yeah, it has been interesting. It's the weather. It's hard to find the same weather. Oh yeah, you're right. California does have good weather, man. I can't argue with that. Um, I'm definitely gonna have to go out there too. I have family out there. I just, don't go out there. I might visit you, man, just to kick it, have a good time. Introduce me to the way of California living. Let's see. Ask some questions, you guys. I want some questions. I want to know, I want y'all to pick at me. Yeah, I'll hit you up, man. I'll hit you up. I'll hit you up. But yeah, hit me up with some questions, y'all. What topics y'all want to see on my channel? Because I want to, diversify my channel too. I actually might think of making another YouTube channel for certain topics. Just so I may want to keep this one, just trading and scripture, but we'll see. What do I think about VeChain? What do I think about VeChain? I think it's a good asset. I think it goes hand in hand with XRP and connecting everything. Uh, I think the top, when it comes down to the wire, I think XRP is gonna be number one. VeChain probably at number two, and there's another one that I just don't remember. I'm not sure what it's. I don't remember off the top. I think XLM. I think they're gonna be pretty good. Crypto. Even though I'm not a fan of XLM or Stellar Lumens, whatever you want to call it. I think it's gonna be good only because it's similar to XRP, but I don't know how it's gonna perform if they overshadow it. But we'll see. Doge, Dogecoin, bro, talk to me. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know too much about Doge. It, like when I first heard about Dogecoin, man, I heard it was like a joke coin. It was just made just because it was a meme. It was made after a meme. So I don't know if that's fully true or not, man. I don't know about Dogecoin to even talk about it like that. But I think Dogecoin it's funny how it came out, but long term it might be good. I don't know. I'll do some more research for you on that, and I'll talk to you more about that one because that's an interesting one. Anthony Fisher, what do you make? You make a word movement of gold. So, yes, it's funny, Anthony. It's funny because I actually put that in the Discord group a long time ago, maybe months ago. I said not XRP. I said gold will hit at least 2,000, if not more, because on the gold chart there's a cut pattern on the weekly and the monthly time frame. So I'm not surprised about gold going up. Y'all got to understand that these markets are all rigged. These markets, you can't predict when the market's going to do something, but you can see where the market is going because the market follows a structure and it follows a pattern. And this is the basics of markets. When I first started trading, I learned patterns, and patterns rule the market. But there's the crazy thing that there's patterns within side patterns. There may be a giant pattern on the weekly time frame, and there may be like a smaller pattern on the maybe the daily or the 4 hour, the 1 hour time frame. And a lot of people don't understand that these patterns control the market and not the news. Don't I don't look at the news. I never trade news really. I only look at the charts because charts really, if you know what to look for, the charts don't lie. As far as the stock market, oh yeah, gold, silver too. I'm not surprised with that either. As far as the stock market, I am actually surprised about the stock market, but truth be told, I think the stock market's rigged. Like I said, because they're claiming that there's a lot of there's a lot of people that are unemployed. And last time I checked the stats of the unemployment, they said it was like 6 million, 9 million. And I'm like, well, that if that was the case, why is the stock market still going up? Because that affects the stock market. But that being said, it goes also into who's really in control. The people with the money is in control of the stock market. Wall Street, big investors, big corporations like Amazon, Walmart, Tesla. Those people are all controlling the stock market, and I don't care what people say. Tesla stock has went up a lot, and like how's that stock going up if people don't have money to buy Tesla cars or anything. So it's crazy how that the stock market's even moving up. To contrast it, let's see. I think as long as gold and silver are going up, the stock markets will move up as well. Let me see. All these great altcoins make headway. What do you think of the future? Bitcoin's trash. I'm not sugarcoating that. Bitcoin is trash. It's outdated technology, and there's a lot more cryptocurrencies that are more efficient than Bitcoin. Uh, I don't understand why Bitcoin is even. You know, I don't understand why Bitcoin's even moving. If we're honest, Bitcoin's the slowest one. I haven't seen anything slower than Bitcoin. And the only reason why Bitcoin is succeeding as much as it has been is because it was the first crypto that has come out. So you know, Bitcoin sucks, man. I can't talk too much about Bitcoin. It's nothing great about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's also used to what was I actually was talking about this with a friend the other day because he knows some people that are he has some weird information he tells me. I take it as a grain of salt, but uh, he says Bitcoin is used to traffic, money laundering. My bad. I have so many thoughts in my money laundering and stuff. And a lot of people in gangs are affiliated with gangs, like the cartel. They also use Bitcoin to traffic money. That's why you see Bitcoin and prices moving pretty fast and a lot of things. And then also China's involvement with Bitcoin as well. That's another reason why I'm not a fan of Bitcoin. China, if y'all look up what China's been doing over the last 3, 4 years, and even now, I can't support Bitcoin because of China, especially because of that. You think XRP will be backed by gold? Um, yes. Well, this is my take on it. If we really understand what XRP is, yes, it's XRP is gonna control all money from derivatives to forex to everything included in R3. XRP backed by gold is probably gonna make more sense. So yes, but it's also gonna control. It's gonna be the web of all currency, if that makes sense. That's why I think XRP is gonna be the biggest asset and take the #1 spot very soon, if not sooner. I think this is the year that crypto start taking off, and then 2000, 2021. Oh yeah, cryptos is gonna be popping. But yeah, that's my take on XRP backed by gold. You see, let me give you an update right now on XRP. So XRP right now on the let me so yeah, right now it just bounced, off the on the 15 minute, it just bounced off the Tinkinson. And right now what it's trying to do is trying to make a bullish candle. Still got 13 minutes for that candle to close, so anything could happen. Uh, Using regular candles, because I'm using Heikkanashi candles right now. using regular candles, it's it's kind of it's slow. The candle's slow forming and it's not moving with explosive movement. So right now, what I'm seeing here is XRP price trying to consolidate on the 15-minute chart, and I see it consolidating between 22 cents and 21 cents now. Until I think what's gonna happen is gonna range for a couple days, maybe yeah, for a couple days to a week, and then based off the 4 hour chart, and once we get some more momentum, it's gonna take off on the 4 hour. So I'm not gonna go too crazy for XRP just yet until we get to the cloud on the 4 hour chart. That's what I'm seeing right now. Let me see. Question: would you stay in Texas once you make it? Yeah, and yeah, honestly, Texas is home. Don't get me wrong. I probably might get another home outside another, country or state, just because I want to. I want to definitely have another place to, go to when I have, when I'm a travel. So yeah, Texas will be my permanent home, but having a home outside of Texas, I would probably definitely do that. I would have to figure out what country or what state that I want. I want at least three homes. know, I have family back in Nigeria as well, so I might actually build a home out there. To go back to have fun. Just to have vacation. What's going on, Rough Rican? How you doing? I'm doing well. I'm doing really well. How you doing? Any questions? Q&A time, y'all. Hit me up with some serious questions. I could ask like 10 questions at a time. Hit me up. I want to hear what y'all got to say. What questions y'all have? Much blessed. I'm glad to hear that, Rough Freaking. I'm glad to hear that. Right now, XRP, yeah, this is still lagging. 15-minute chart is just moving slow, moving sideways. So yeah, we're gonna move sideways for quite a bit. I think it's gonna be ranging for. Let me see, what days it? I think until the end of July, we'll start to see. The end of July and the beginning of August, we'll start to see XRP start to really start moving. The end of July, let's see. I think by the 31st of July, we should hit 23 cents if we don't start hitting it now. So we'll see. I will keep y'all posted on that for sure. Is it better to trade XRP Bitcoin or XRP USD? Me personally, I think it's better to trade both. You make money off of both. But no, I think I'm so used to trading XRP USD because it's a little cleaner to read, and Bitcoin is always in control of XRP, so you might as well just sell it. Keep a good sell. Is this still a good buying area? Yes, yes. Right now, it's a good buy area based off the daily time frame. It's holding above, a lot of key levels. We're actually right on. We're just right below a fractal level at 22 and a half cent. We need to break above 22 and a half cent to definitely move higher. And that's when I think XRP will start taking off once it breaks that main level based off the daily time frame. So we may range for, depending on how today ends, we may range a little bit, but it's not gonna be for too much longer. XRP is taking off. Cryptos is taking off. How much XRP to have and hold? How long? Are you asking how much XRP do you need? I'm not understanding that question because just $100 worth of XRP is life changing already. You got to understand investment. When you make an investment, you're trusting in that asset. You did your research, and you're making gains. Even though we haven't made significant gains in the last 3 years. That's what an investment is. You're trying to find an investment that's going to put money into your pockets and build your future. But how much XRP, even $100 worth of XRP is good. If you want to make a significant change in your life, have at least 5 to 10,000 XRP. Your life will definitely be changed, especially if it hits those 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit numbers. Can you put the chart in the back? Yeah, I was trying to put the chart in the background, but YouTube won't let me. YouTube is trying to make me put on a encoder, so I might have to download one after this, but they don't tell you the rules on YouTube. You have to find them out the hard way. Let me see. Yeah, YouTube's fickle. Yep, praise Jesus, hallelujah. I agree. But you said, what do I think about Tezos? Yeah, that's the other one that I was trying to think of. It's Tezos. Tezos is actually a good one. Um, I missed my opportunity on Tezos, and I'm a little salty, but it's whatever. I like Tezos and what they're doing. I think, like I was saying earlier, is XRP number one V chain, and Tezos. Tezos is definitely gonna be up there. It's gonna be between Tezos and XLM. So far, I like it. I'm just gonna be straight. I like Tezos so far. You're welcome. I appreciate you, Slit Music or Slit. I don't even know if I said your name right. Slit Music. Oh, forgive me if I said your tag name wrong. Yeah, XRP is a good investment. That's just my opinion, not a financial advice or anything. But if you do your research and really know what's being built in the infrastructure and the ecosystem of XRP, you'll definitely see it. Why people are so into XRP as hard as they are. Let me see. You got to make it so we can. Yeah, I don't mind. I like this too. I like talking to you guys as well. It doesn't matter. Like I don't do YouTube for money. I do YouTube to, cause I enjoy it. At first I didn't want to do YouTube, but I enjoy giving you guys content. I enjoy helping people financially and, putting money into people's pockets. So yeah, Jimi Hendrix is a great guitarist. He's the best ever. I agree. But yeah, if one of these days I'm definitely gonna have this live stream. I'm definitely gonna do another live stream tomorrow. Hopefully I can get everything set up correctly because like I said, YouTube's silly, man. YouTube they play you. Thoughts on Chainlink FUD? I didn't know there was FUD on Chainlink. I'm still holding, but there is a lot of smoke. Let me actually look at that Chainlink chart right now and tell you what I see. So let me go ahead and do that. You might not see it, but I'll give you some insight on what I see. So right now, Chainlink. Let me look at the weekly time. So Chainlink has, wow, Chainlink's not doing bad. Let me look at the monthly time frame. Chainlink looks like it's about to take off. I think Chainlink right now is making a correction. The market is flat on Chainlink on the weekly chart. Right now it needs to get above the $8 range, about $9, but it needs to get above that to move higher. What I'm looking at right now, so it's just ranging between eight point $8.96 and $6. So it's ranging between there. It's also holding above the $6.77 range. Looking at the time of this chart, so what needs to happen? Price needs to hold, above this $6.77 range to continue higher, and it needs to break that $8.96 range to move higher as well. On the 4-hour time frame, it's not looking too nice for Chainlink. It looks like it's showing some signs of weakness there on the hour as well. But no, actually on the hour, it's gaining a little bit of strength, but it's not enough strength to make higher prices right now. So Chainlink is so right now what I see in Chainlink, I think Chainlink is gonna probably fall back down a little bit lower. Not too much lower, but it's gonna fall down lower. So that's what I see right now. Chainlink. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Y'all are talking now. I got some stuff to read. Oh yeah, from India. Well, that's what's up. Welcome, man. Welcome to my channel. Been watching your videos from too long. Your content is good. There's a few good deep YouTube. I appreciate that, Slit. I appreciate that a lot. It. I think there's quite a bit of good, crypto YouTubers. There's a lot of them that are hype. I don't think I'm hype. Do y'all think I'm hype when it comes to these, charts and stuff? I don't think I overhype things. I think I keep a realistic perspective on, the movement of price. So, let's see. Let's see. $11 chain, then I'll dump. Yeah, yeah, I can see that. $11 chain link in the long term. Let me take another look at chain link real quick. Okay, so if Chainlink breaks this, if Chainlink breaks its $8.96 level and goes higher, where it could potentially go if I'm using the wave theory, it could go to at least the highest that it could go to for now in my, from looking at it, is $13. The lowest would be $10. The next level will be $10.41, and then $11 flat. Well, not $11 flat. $11.50 is the next level I would look at for Chainlink. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, rough Rican. I try to keep it as realistic as possible. Job says Chainlink is worthless. I have to look into that. If XRP does a 50,000% increase, what price would that be? So if it does a 50,000 increase, let me see from the current level. If it does a 50,000% increase from its current level, what would that put us? So if it does a 50,000 increase, that would put us at $110. Yeah, about $110 in that range. Between 110 and 109 might that's it. 110 and $109. So let's say if that hits let's say if it hit $110, man, let's say it just made that 50,000% increase. I want to know, what would y'all do? What's the first thing y'all plan on doing with that increase that y'all got? Are y'all gonna take some profit out, or y'all gonna, you know, let it keep holding? What are y'all gonna do? Variable Bull makes all the XRP videos look like a trader. I was so sick of. Wow. No, he's no. I like watching his content because I like his hypeness. I like his hypeness because he makes you want to get invested in XRP. I love his videos. Now let's see. I just wish the tribal part of crypto would go away. There's room for everyone here. The market is stronger when we're not back. Yeah, I agree with that. There is a lot of tribal tribes in the crypto space, especially amongst the Bitcoin and XRP community. Casino coin community, they're not as bad as the Bitcoin and XRP community when it comes to know division. They're open, but I agree with that statement. A lot of people bashing each other's crypto for sure. Yeah, I agree. Let's all get wealthy. Okay. How big of a house you want to get, kitchen? Me, like, I'll be real. I'm I like nice things. I want to get at least probably a 5 to 6 bedroom house because you know I want I plan on having a wife one day. So when I have a good wife and I find a good wife, one room is going to be dedicated to uh, my trading and my YouTube videos. So I have an office. Another video will, I mean, another room will be, just our room. Then kids' room in the future, and then I want to have a special room for just me and her. If y'all know what I mean, y'all know. I might build a special sex room for me and my future wife. Let's see, buy a rental home and buy a new home and car. Yep, definitely do that. What type of car you want to get? And I do want to also invest into real estate as well. Oh wow, XRP just jumped. Hold on a second. Yeah, XRP is dang, it's jumping right now. XRP is actually trying to break its threshold right now. It's trying to break that 22.5 cent right now, which is it just made a big jump just now. So I'm actually gonna keep my eye on it for a bit. It is moving right now hard. Uh, 5 bedrooms is enough where I don't look rich. I agree. Like having excessive amount of bedrooms. Like, who's over at your house? Are you throwing parties all the time? I don't know. If I was like the Wolf of Wall Street, maybe I might consider having like 10 bedrooms, have family and guests over or something. I don't know, but 5 bedrooms is enough. I agree. Love CSC. How is that looking on the TA? I don't have. It's sad that you asked that because the trading view does not allow you to look up casino coin. You have to go to another trading or another chart website to even find casino coin. And I actually might start doing more casino coin videos again. I think a lot of people enjoyed those, so I will actually start doing those again. I just make XRP my main focus because majority of the people on this channel are here for XRP. So when I do live streams, I'll do XRP, and I'll just do whatever y'all request. I'll do that. So I'm gonna start doing that in the future. Let me read some more. His hipness makes you want to keep buying. Yeah, I agree. His hipness does make you want to keep buying. Uh, like I think the bearable bull is definitely the most. You know, he's very influential in his speaking, and he speaks very well. He makes you want to get some more crypto, like more XRP for sure. But he makes you want to uh, put all like he makes you want to put all your savings into XRP. That's like it. Sometimes you know you never know. It might help you in the end, but he definitely is a guy that you know if you want to get that energy and that hype, I would definitely watch his videos for that because he does get you in that mindset. Yeah, we're gonna be rich now. You know, another YouTuber that I like. I don't watch their channel all the time, but when I get a chance to, XRP just broke 22 and oh man, yeah, it's about to break that threshold. So it actually might bounce higher than I predicted. But I'm saying another person I like to watch is XRP Chiz. Do y'all watch his channel at all? He's a good person to watch. Honestly, I watched everybody's channel just to stay updated. I'm not really big on news because news, you know, if we had such great news, the market would be up 1,000 right now. But if we're being honest, but um, I do watch everybody's channel because everybody has something to offer. Now, you may not agree with everybody, but everybody does have something to offer to some degree. Some people, you know, everybody has different tastes in their in what they watch. So I don't hate on nobody. I just enjoy everybody's content, and everybody puts out what they need to put out, and you know, we all grow in this together. We all learn together. We're all gonna get wealthy together. So at the end of the day, I'm not tripping. Any other questions y'all got? Any currencies y'all want me to look at right now? I could definitely look at some. Yeah, let me know if y'all want me to look at or analyze anything right now. I'll definitely look at it. XRP is trying to pump right now. So what I'm gonna do for XRP, I'm gonna put an alert on my chart. Once it hits a certain level, it'll send me an alert and I'll keep y'all posted on that. Any other questions? If y'all don't have any other questions, I'll definitely end this stream right here, and then I'll go to I'll set up something probably tomorrow. We'll see about that. We got a question. I'm happy I found a Christian influence because everyone else was just trying me. What do you mean by that? Everybody else was just trying you. Are you going to work? Okay, have a good one, Rough Rican. Hope you have a blessed day. Hope you enjoy your afternoon, evening, everything. Great job. Keep it up. Be blessed in Jesus' name. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. I don't even know how to say your name. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not good with names, but I'll just call you Jackson if that's all right with you. Action. I'm gonna just call you Action. Action Jack. Action Jack. Yeah, because when I read words, man, so English is it messes with me sometimes, man. I got like a few languages in my head. I was if y'all don't know, if y'all watch one of my videos on here, I was living with Mexicans for 3 years, so I had some Spanish in my head too. So man, I'm not fluent in Spanish, but I understood enough to get to move around. Father in Christ that talks about. Yes. Yeah, man. That's one of the biggest reasons why I started YouTube in the first place. Because uh, it was crazy because I had got fired from my personal training job because I started my business and I brought it to a gym because they were hiring personal trainers as contract workers. So when I got there, I was exposing their fraud and stuff, so I didn't like it. So they ended up firing me. So what ended up happening, I ended up starting YouTube later, and I didn't want to start YouTube, but God said he told me to start a YouTube channel. I said, well, why? I don't, but it has he's from what I've seen, making a YouTube channel has blessed people. Some people said personal message me say they feel convicted sometimes when I say certain things, and some people have said they are now seeking God again, or they're seeking God for themselves. So yeah, it was interesting seeing that. I didn't think I would impact nobody. I don't think too highly of myself at all. I just do what I'm told by God, and whatever He says, I'll do. So that's the mindset that I had. I really didn't want to make a YouTube channel, if I'm being honest, but it worked out, and people are getting blessed from it. So sometimes it's not about what you want; it's about making that sacrifice to be a blessing to others. Let me see. Yeah, XRP is dancing right at the gate of breaking 22.5 cent right now. Just dancing on the gate, prancing on it. Absolutely, Ronnie. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for what I do. Yeah, always, man. I'm gonna do this until otherwise. Even when I make millions after XRP and cryptos explode, I'm still gonna do this. You know, and I'm probably gonna do more vlogs too. So we'll see. Do y'all like the vlogs as well? Do y'all like those? Because if y'all like those, I'll do some more of those. And also, I think I might need a new mic too. I don't know if y'all hear me real well or not, but I do want to get a mic as well. So y'all gonna have to tell me if I'm clear to y'all or not. There's something different. Yeah, I'll definitely do something different on this channel. That's why I put out that sparring session that I had. Okay, good. You can hear me. Yeah, I'm going to definitely do that. Definitely gonna do that. Um, I'll definitely put some more vlogs. I'm gonna try to invest in a microphone so you can hear me better. Because I hear people sometimes saying when I post a video that they don't really hear me clearly. So I get concerned. I'm like, man, well, I said some good stuff. So that's something I'll take into consideration too. So I'm glad that you could hear me though. And I'm also gonna do some collaborations too on my channel. So you know, definitely, be watching that. I know that a lot of people are. I have been hit up by a lot of people outside of YouTube, and there's some topics that need to be discussed that the world needs to hear. I did a collaboration the other day. If y'all look at my and if you look inside the community group, I linked a video in there to somebody else's channel that we did a video on together. Uh, you guys, we did a video on feminism, submissive women, and what was the other topic? Gender roles. So that was a topic on in that video. I don't know if y'all really care about that stuff, but sometimes, diversifying your what you're into can help you grow as a person as well. Uh, I'm not a fan of feminism though, so y'all will hear my opinion in that video. See. So what I'd like to see right now, I'll probably be getting off very soon. What I'd like to see for XRP, and I'll end it here. I want to see it break above this 22.5 cent level. And once we break that level, then I think we'll move a lot higher. And I believe we'll hit 23 cents with no ease. I mean, well, with great ease. I said no ease, with great ease. So I'm waiting on that. The market is flat on the 15-minute chart. So until we get some movement to the upside and we break that level, then I'll be watching again. But right now, XRP, I still believe we're gonna break some. We're gonna break some. We're gonna go have a new all-time high this year. I believe that. I really do. So if y'all don't have any questions, I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'll wait a couple more moments. If I don't get any questions or anything, I'll definitely close this video out. All right. Well, no one's saying anything. So okay, so you have a question. What's your new all-time high? New all-time high, I would say between $10 and $100. The reason why I say between 10 and 100, 10 I'm low balling, 100 is high balling. Reason why I say 100 is because if you see what's being passed right now, the laws that are being passed, and you see that that they're really building this infrastructure, and just the other day they're saying that the banks could custody crypto and distribute crypto. That's huge. And we already know that XRP is the bank coin, so they're going to be using XRP. So I don't have any doubts in my mind that XRP is not going to, no doubts in my mind XRP is going to succeed. XRP, I'll say $10 to $100. That's where I see it. Is it okay to keep coins on the exchange or cold storage for sure? I don't believe the exchanges are good. I know Coinbase changed their they changed their infrastructure on holding coins on their site. You can't really move coins on Coinbase anymore. At least that's what it seems like. You have to have some extra information that they didn't need before. So that right there is shady to me. I put all my money in a cool wallet. So I would definitely put it in some type of storage, maybe even a ledger, you know. So definitely invest in one if you can, and make sure that you put your money off the exchange as soon as possible. That's my opinion on that. But if y'all don't have any more questions, I'm calling 100, calling 1,000 XRP in Jesus' name. Amen. I second that with you. He said, when two or three are gathered in his name, he's in the midst. So I second that. I touch and agree with that, man. In Jesus' name. I really want to see 1,000 XRP. XRP, if just XRP hitting 100, I'll be a millionaire. So I'm excited. I'm like, well, put everything into this. So yeah, so I'm excited. And if it goes to 100, I mean, 1,000, boy, I'm gonna be real excited. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with myself. But if that's it, I'm definitely I'll end it here, and I'll try to do another live stream tomorrow where we'll have some charts and we could go over some crypto, look at some crypto charts for you guys, and maybe even gold or metals. I don't care what it is. I'll trade it all. I even look at stocks too, but not too much because stock markets is iffy with me. But if anybody has nothing else to say, I'm done here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video or this live stream. Comment, leave comments behind for it, share it, and let me know your thoughts, y'all, because I really think XRP is gonna take off on how the crypto space is setting up. But until next time, I'll see y'all later. All right. God bless you guys. Peace.